The governor is still fighting in court to be able to share information with ICE agents in a way that might violate laws he has signed. Last year, ICE sent Colorado's Department of Labor and Employment, CDLE, an administrative subpoena for information about 35 people who were sponsors of immigrant children. The paperwork said ICE wanted to make sure that the children are not subjected to crimes of human trafficking. A CDLE employee sued Democratic Governor Polis to prevent the state from sharing employment records and contact information for those 35 people. State laws signed by Polis restricts local cooperation with ICE unless there's a court order or it's part of a criminal investigation. This week, CDLE told state lawmakers the new department response is to tell ICE to get a court order. In our one-on-one yesterday, I asked Polis why he's still fighting the lawsuit to share information without a court order.
The law states that if it's subject to a criminal investigation, we can cooperate. And sometimes out of the need to move those quickly to catch, for instance, parties that are responsible for kidnapping kids or human trafficking, we have the flexibility legally to move ahead of judicial action, which can take longer.
Do you have any more detail about criminal investigation besides criminal investigation written in this?
Well, we certainly hope the federal government is more explicit in that going forward. I mean, we believe the request was sufficient and talked about a criminal investigation into human trafficking, but obviously the more explicit it is, the more we're able to react quickly to make sure that anybody that's doing anything illegal is apprehended.
The judge overhearing the lawsuit initially ruled that CDLE could not share records with ICE, but admitted he had no power to prevent the governor from doing so. Polis's attorneys told the court that the state did find employment records for 6 of the 35 people, and that because the employers can be searched publicly, they're still wanting to share that information with ICE.